Let's tackle this problem by problem. We talked about security. What are the problems? The aggregation and storage of large amounts of data creates valuable honeypots for bad actors. And user data is routinely compromised because of the combination of highly valuable data consolidated on poorly secured systems. And even if 99% of systems are well secured, that 1% is still a huge vulnerability since our data is just so many places. Cybercrime is projected to actually surpass the sale of illegal drugs in value at some point.
2022 was the projection.
2022. So hopefully we can head it off and that'll never happen. Why is Bitcoin a solution? Storing data on Bitcoin eliminates the singular honeypot of the current data model. So let me explain more. If a user stores their data on chain, let's assume it's data that they don't want to just be public where everyone can see it. They're storing it by encrypting it with their own key. They're storing it somewhere. Many people and many businesses are storing data. And so you have this sort of twofold thing that happens. One is what is essentially safety in numbers. And second is you invert the cost to hackers. So safety in numbers, that comes from the fact that when everyone stores on a central ledger, then it's really impossible to distinguish what is what belongs to who. And so if you want to try and crack some sort of random data that you see on Bitcoin, one, you're probably not going to be able to do it. But even if you could, that would not open the sort of floodgates that maybe breaking into a server would. So the fact that you're in this central location where what you're actually doing is obscured by all the other applications and users who are using the same system is really important for providing security. And then, of course, because everything is individually encrypted versus in a lot of schemes, if you get into the system, you can see everything. If a hacker is motivated, then their efforts are not going to return the same sort of haul that they might in an instance like an Equifax, like a Target, where sure, it might be a big uphill battle to actually penetrate one of those systems. But once you do, you get everything. It's not the same way on Bitcoin since things are individually managed.